everyone, thanks so much for watching. I'd like to do a little unboxing video with you today for these fantastic reusable grocery bags. Now each pack comes in a set of 4 reusable grocery bags in 2 great colors. Here is the pack with the beige ones and these are the gray ones. So let's go ahead and get these unboxed and I'll share with you guys a little more detailed information about them. Each bag has a hard embedded bottom so that it can stand strong, sturdy, and stable, all upright on its own. Now this is great because the bottom piece is sewn in, making this a much higher quality than your traditional cheap reusable grocery bags. The hard bottom that's sewn in makes these so much more strong and stable, and they're able to stand upright while also maintaining an attractive look of the bag as well. And these bags are made with a premium PP woven fabric so that they're really easy to clean and maintain. They're water resistant and all you have to do is take a wet cloth and wipe them down. I think these bags are absolutely fantastic because not only are they great for carrying groceries, but they're also incredibly versatile as well. These are fantastic for taking them to and from the office or to school or taking things to the beach or just any outdoor activity. And check this out. These reusable grocery bags also have front pockets as well. So you have a little bit of extra storage space. And what makes these stand out from your traditional cheap reusable grocery bags is the quality of the handles. These are made with a really premium, high quality and durable material, and the handles are embedded all the way to the bottom of the bag, as you can see, so that it is more sturdy and durable. There's multiple ways that you can carry or wear the grocery bags. You can hold its handles just by your hands like a traditional shopping bag, or you can use it as a tote bag and wear it around your shoulder as well. And when they're not in use, you can go ahead and fold them back up just like they came, so they're really easy to store away. And I love that Veno's company mission is to reduce our impact and reduce our one-time plastic usage so that we can have a cleaner, better, and more livable future. And the inside of these reusable bags are actually made from 80% post-consumer recycled plastic material so that it doesn't end up in our lakes, oceans, and landfills. You can go ahead and make a difference just by using reusable bags such as these fantastic quality Veno bags over and over again. The more you use them and the less one-time plastic you use, the absolute better.